Hello my dear students and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will be performing an activity regarding the presence of starch in various food samples. So, for detecting the presence of starch in the food sample, we will perform the iodine test. So, for this activity, we will need the test tubes, iodine solution, water, a dropper, starch solution for positive test, and our samples, food samples, which we are testing the starch. So first of all, I will make a starch solution so that I may have a positive control. So for our positive control experiment, I will dissolve a small amount of starch in water in this test tube. This is a starch powder and this will serve as control experiment. So here I am dissolving the starch powder in water so that our experiment may have a positive control. So this is the starch solution. In the second test tube, I am adding plain water. This will serve as a negative control. Then in the third tube, I am adding rice water. This is just rice soaked in water, and I will take the water in which the starch from the rice has came out. So this third tube is about rice water, and in our fourth tube I have taken the potato and chopped it roughly and added some water so that the starch from the potato is mixed up in the water. Now I am going to add this potato water in the last tube, and this will serve as our fourth tube. Now I have four tubes. The first one is starch solution, which will serve as a positive control. The second tube is plain water, which will serve as negative control. Then the third tube contains rice water, and the fourth tube contains potato water. Now we have to add 4 to 5 drops of iodine to each of the test tube and note down the color. So I have added 5 drops of iodine solution in each of the test tubes, and as we can see that the starch solution, which was serving as a positive control, we can observe the blue-black color of the iodine solution. Now this was our negative control, means water. Here no starch is present, so the color is not blue-black, it is slightly orangish. And this was the third sample, which was our rice water. It has clearly turned blue-black, and our fourth tube contained potato water, and this color has also changed to blue-black. However, the presence of starch in potato is less in comparison to the rice water, but we can clearly see the difference in the color of the negative control and our food sample. So with this test, we can clearly test whether a substance contains starch or not.